This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the image and selecting tools. Open the image, crop to the text area, and enhance contrast so OCR can read it. Next, choose OCR software or a mobile app that supports your target language. Once chosen, configure source and target languages and enable layout retention options. Make sure to note formatting needs like bold, tables, or RTL text. Doing this first speeds up the remainder of the workflow and reduces rework later. You now extract and translate the text. Run OCR and immediately proofread the output, fixing misreads such as L/1 or O/0. Once done, export plain or tag text. Feed that into a machine translator or CAT environment, ensuring you preserve tags, line breaks, and formatting placeholders. After translation, scan for contextual issues. Measurements, dates, and idioms often need human adjustment. Make iterative edits until the translation reads naturally and matches the original layout expectations. You finish by reconstructing the image and verifying quality. Insert the translated text into the original layout, matching font size, alignment, and text direction. Once placed, preview for overflow or truncation. Then conduct a final proofread with a native speaker to catch tone and layout errors. If you encounter misalignment, rerun OCR with adjusted settings or tweak the stylus sheet. Make sure to save the original and a change log for rollback. One troubleshooting tip: if characters break, switch to an embedded font that supports your target script.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.